Being an ex-Digitech head, the experience I had was Shantanu and I, along with Bala, actually had lots of fun. Ex-Digitech head, the experience I had was last year was entirely amazing. Like Shantun, being an ex-Digitech head, the everything for others it might be a fest of for 3 days, but for those 3 days we know we had to each and every one of us bigger as you know, there are very less girl gamers available, and you can see this girl playing Dota 2, which even I don't play Dota 2. She is playing Dota 2. Ninad, what do you want to say about her gameplay?
She is a beginner, but in gaming language, I would say she is noob.
Noob. Kaleo.
It's on. So we are here in Vidya Lankar. She is the event secretary of our college. She doesn't know anything. This is ex-GS of our college. I have to pick up for them. Okay. So you can see the flash mob is done here.
What is Vigor?
Anybody knows? Vigor is our annual college annual fest. It's 22nd and 23rd December. You can see we are having Maharashtra Times logistic partner as present GS.
College event.
Yeah, it's annual college event. She is event secretary of our college, Simran Lama.
General secretary, you idiot.
Okay, you are event secretary? Okay.
Hospitality head, man.
And
Hospitality.
Akash, as always, Papagiri subscriber. Vaishnavi Venugopal.
Michael Jackson.
Pipani of Figure. Event secretary.
Slap you.
Hospitality.
And Akash Mane. Nishan Patkar, Keval Prajapati. These are the special people are here. Isha Kadam, one of the best students of VSIT. So far so good. So meeting scenes. Akash Mane is just chilling out over here.
Very sunny.
Yes. And this is our college. They are painting every year here. And this is VIT. And you can see
Very cold climate.
very cold climate.
Because nobody is giving me pani.
Yeah. So I am the ex-general secretary of Vidya Lankar School of Information Technology. We are near the entrance gate of Vidya Lankar, and you can see the creativity of this year festival, Vigor Fest 2016. They have given 6 days to go to this event. 6 days to go for this event. They cut kar. and you can see the creativity of this year event. Credits goes to Durvesh Jayawant. He is the creative head of our college. एकंदरीत हम लोग को फ्लैश मॉब देख के आज का ऐसा लग रहा है कि इवेंट बहुत हिट होने वाला है और माय मराठी का प्रैक्टिस अभी थोड़ी दिन में चालू होगा. तो हम लोग आपको 22 और 23 को अपडेट करते रहेंगे कि इवेंट में क्या चालू है. लाइव अपडेट देंगे बपावगिरी चैनल पे ही. तो आप सब्सक्राइब भी इधर राइट और लेफ्ट किधर रहेगा सब्सक्राइब करो फिर
माने वरती टाका था.
So we are going inside the VSIT. This is the new logo of VSIT. So now we are going inside the VSIT. This is the VSIT looks like. This is the vending machine. You have to just put the 5-10 rupees over here and you will get bakar vadi. You will get legs. So now we are going through the students. So you can see over here this is a classroom where Shraddha ma'am will teaching all the events of VSIT, how to register for CS 1.6, how to participate in each event. So he is giving. So we can go inside the classroom. The projector is not working right now, but they are trying hard to work. So you can see.
Who allowed you to enter in this college?
Actually we are.
Who allowed you to enter in this college?
जितना भी हुआ है उतना पैकअप कर लो. So this year theme is retro night.
लगता है जिगर to come to विगर.
Secretary of our college.
लगता है जिगर to come to विगर.
Open our WhatsApp messages. So this year theme is retro night. We are going to call all the old celebrities over here and they are dancing in the retro night event. And we are.
Is Sridevi coming this year?
I don't know about that, but I will make sure that you will subscribe to that Bapavgiri channel.
Oh yeah! Come on, Bapavgiri.
Left side. जिधर भी आएगा.
Keep the finger on trigger. Come to विगर.
This is the musician, greatest musician of our time, Mr. Akash Mane, who plays acoustic unplugged version of evergreen songs like Nestle Maruti Sadi.
और ये हमारे
गिटार का साउंड नहीं आ रहा. क्या बैटरी लो है. ये वेला बड़े होते हैं.
Singing this song, this is acoustic version, unplugged version. Second cover song of the evening, acoustic version and unplugged version. It will be played after the short break. Start.
नेसली माहेरची साडी नेसली माहेरची.
अरे कीर्तन हाय त्यो.
So guys, we have reached 5,000 subscribers on our channel and yes!
So guys, we are a family of 5,000 subscribers and thank you so much. So actually I was supposed to record this video yesterday as we crossed 5,000 subscribers last night, but the man behind the camera, as you can see, Abhishek Desai. So guys, we have Omkar Linge with us, one of our teammate of Papavgiri. So Omkar, what do you want to say to our subscribers?
5,000 subscribers. Gosh, that's a big milestone we've crossed. I don't. अरे थोड़ा हंसो तो भाई तू. What do you feel when Akash Mane, the head of Papavgiri page, has crossed 5,000?
I don't even know that page.
What's that, Papavgiri, man?
These villagers don't even know Papavgiri
Shut up.
page, and I guess Akash
I am not a
Mane,
villager,
we have to
excuse me.
reach in those rural areas to tell them what is Papavgiri. Please do that, please. And this is Sibralama live from Lamagaon in Nepal.
You have to go to Nepal to
Please
tell
get
them.
a- that page,
Excuse me.
please.
Nepal is not.
Excuse me, I know Papavgiri, okay? And of course, Mane, my darling, is doing that. कितना पैसा दिया था उतना इतना ही मिलेगा तेरे को.
I guess 500 दिया था ना तेरे को.
बस इतना ही लाइन में ठीक होगा.
500 का ही नोट दिया रहेगा तेरे को मैंने.
दो लाइन है, दो लाइन है.
पुराना नोट दिया.
हाँ पूरा नहीं.
Rucha, how do you feel when Papavgiri page has reached 5,000 subscribers?
Very nice. Yo.
Congrats. जे मना दिल तो बोल.
चल
Hey
चल.
guys, this is Shantanu Mahajan, the digital head of Student Council 1617. And Shantanu, how does it feel when Papavgiri has crossed 5,000 subscribers? The channel is Papavgiri.
बोल.
Guys, this is Ayush Singh, core committee member of Student Council 1617. He is a very dedicated member. And
I guess so.
Ayush, how does it feel when PH Papavgiri has crossed 5,000 subscribers?
It feels great because he's a friend of mine and he's doing a good work. So I'm proud of him. I hope so. Yes, very good in the future.
Thanks, buddy. Love you, bro.
But buddy, who are you?
I'm a teammate of Papavgiri.
Oh yeah? Is it?
Does he know anything?
No! No!
Do you even know?
Which
was the last video of Papavgiri?
Do you know? Video songs, episode 7. Do you know?
No, that's not the
Episode
last
6.
video. No, that's not the last video. Last video was uploaded today morning.
Yes!
Go to the back button.
Okay, so guys, it's okay. So this lighting is already better, I can say. It's 12:59, which is almost 1 o'clock, and now we have come to the main stage events, which is going to happen on the VSIT ground. This ground. So you can see everyone's busy doing their work, obviously. I'm there in the college from like morning 8-9 o'clock, and now it's almost 1 o'clock. Then I have to go home. Even if I leave at 1:30, I'll reach home by 2:30, and then I have to eat food and then come tomorrow again at the morning 7 o'clock. I guess आज night होने वाला है. Obviously night होने वाला है. So I'll just show you the setup, the stage setup. Okay, so this is the stage, and the theme of this year is Bombay, let's relive the past. So as you can see, the all 60s, 70s, 80s actors on this side as well as on this side, and in the middle there will be LED. So there's some place left for LED, and these people are still building up the console thing. So भाई टाइम लगेगा यार, कितना टाइम लगेगा मुझे भी मालूम नहीं है. So I have no idea how much more time will it take to complete the whole creative work inside the college. The outside it's almost done. There's this second gate right here, but it's completely dark, so I won't be able to show you now. I'll show you in the morning. Only it's written that welcome Bombay, I guess. I cannot see, I just forgot my glasses in the classroom. So that's it for now. This was the whole entire sneak peek, I guess, and the making and the whole preparation stuff. I did a live video on Facebook, as well as I post stuff on Snapchat as well as Instagram. So be sure to follow me on these social networks. I'll sign off. Okay, I'm done. I'll sign up for now. I'll just take one more shot while going home, just to let you know how much time it took. So that's it for today, guys. If you have made it till the end, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. So guys, finally I am home, and as you can see, it's already 2:50 AM, which is almost like after 10 minutes it will be 3 o'clock. So I have no idea. Even I have to eat food now and then again go to college at 7 o'clock in the morning. So I have to sleep. So that's it for today, guys. If you have made till the end, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. The entire thing was the making and the preparations for festival. In the next vlog there will be everything we did in the freshers. Excuse me, I'm too sleepy. In the next vlog it will be everything related to festival, and the next vlog will be entirely of my Marathi, which is the special event of our college. So that's it. So peace out. being an ex-Digitech head, the experience I had last year was entirely amazing. Like Shantanu and I, along with Bala, actually had lots of fun roaming around the college with loads of camera all around us. Vigor is everything. So like for others, it might be a fest of 2-3 days, but we know to make those 3 days successful, each and every one of us had to work really hard from like 2 to 3 months. So make sure to come to Vidyanandha School of Information Technology on 22nd and 23rd of December to celebrate this festival with us. Thank you.